Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi is not connecting in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. If you're using Galaxy S24 Plus and you're facing the issue that in your phone your Wi-Fi isn't connecting, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to scroll in the control center and enable and disable your airplane mode. It will take to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, and their hotspot. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. You just have to retry to connect with that Wi-Fi. But if you're still facing the same issue, so you can go to your settings tab here and go to connections, go to Wi-Fi, select the Wi-Fi with which you are facing the issue, and click on forget. And once you have forgotten that Wi-Fi, you just have to reconnect with that Wi-Fi connection, and this time you will not get this issue. But if you're still facing the same issue, so you can go to settings again, go to software update, and just make sure that your software is up to date. And once you have updated your software, just go to the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and just restart your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. But if you're still facing the same issue, so there's the only way. You just have to go back and go to general management, go to reset, select reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, click on reset settings. It will reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings to default, and once you have done, your issue will be fixed, and this time you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.